Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's today's tip.
As a quick note to end this week's more performance-based series, this tip will also help you with a bit of troubleshooting if you're experiencing any odd behavior. There's a tool that comes along with SOLIDWORKS installation called the RX tool. You can find it just by searching for it and typing RX in your Windows Start menu. I'm going to select RX 2020. There are a bunch of useful tools in here, including some safe modes to help narrow down any issues you might be experiencing, but those will be a subject of a future video. Today we just want to see what graphics card we have, what drivers are currently installed, and where we can check for new drivers. So I'll click on the Diagnostics tab up here. The graphics drivers are important because they ensure your graphics card is working correctly and as quickly as it can. Each new one that comes out is generally better than the previous as long as it's been tested and certified with SOLIDWORKS. The R440 release specifically states that you can have performance gains of up to 30% over the R430 release. You can see I have an NVIDIA Quadro P3000 card with the R440 driver. I know that this is the newest driver for the card, but if I wasn't sure, I'd be able to easily click and check through this link. It should bring you to this page, where you can fill out your drop-downs to select the correct driver. For example, let's say I just know that I have the P3000 and that I'm using SOLIDWORKS 2020. I fill those two out, and I can see that everything that shows up here is R440. Since that matches what I have installed, I know I'm good to go. But again, if I didn't, I could click on the driver and it'll take me to NVIDIA's website. You should see a similar drop-down here, but this should be automatically filled out for you. If something doesn't seem quite right, like here it shows the M4000 card, that should be fine as long as it shows the correct driver when you search. Again, it shows the R440 tree, and I can click here to download the driver. Here in the highlights you can see what I mentioned earlier about the 30% performance increase. Once you go through, download this, and run it, everything should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Contact me if you have any questions, and have a nice weekend.